This is United States Magistrate, authorized under U.S. Code 416. I'm bringing you to date on the facts of what is going on. It seems that I just got off the phone with Homeland Security, and I noted that Alex Peck of the Berkeley County Sheriff's Department fabricated a charge of false charges, and my cousin, Richard Stevens, decided that he wants to hear a case on this false charge, and Homeland Security took and addressed Angela Caesars and tried to claim that my warrant's not within federal criminal procedure rule, when Pennsylvania Constable Brian Dittrich says it is within federal criminal procedure rule, as well as several other judges and lawyers and officers like Eric Carlson. Now, why would they fabricate a charge? They would fabricate a charge as a means to get me out of the way, so that the state of West Virginia doesn't have to pay the $13.5 million. However, Alex Peck fabricated this charge for sexual favors from Cassidy Marie Janelle at 1086 Galway Road in Hedgesville, West Virginia, who is also in the warrant, as well as the Berkeley County Prosecuting Attorney and Bridget Cohey, who gave a deal to Miss Rosetta Elshire for the false charge, as well as for the false information that she said was given to the jury, which I've never seen. So therefore, that was an entire mistrial on 18-C-279, when the warrant for her arrest was received by the court on March the 6th. Therefore, the case on March the 6th should not have been conferenced before her, nor should it have been heard by the jury. But again, this is the corruption in Berkeley County, and Homeland Security is trying to cover it up with Homeland Orders again and trying to stalk. And yes, this is something the public needs to know about, because I am authorized as a United States Magistrate, and I am over Homeland Security. And no, it's not a civil. See, that's what they'll do. They'll try to move it over to civil and want you to pay money and then try to dismiss it. It doesn't work like that. And that's why I asked if the Inspector General got the warrant for his arrest, where it clearly notes that Homeland Orders is a clear violation of 18 U.S. Code Chapter 73, 1505, and this is another threat by the state of West Virginia in writing. And Jim Justice is doing all this stuff in the social media, and Curtis Keller. Why? Because they're trying to make themselves look good in the public eye and trying to get out of this charge. That's why. That's the only reason. And what Jim Justice should be saying is, I'm out here robbing West Virginia citizens of the land and of their money. And that's what Curtis Keller should be saying, that I'm out here robbing the bank, because he robbed the original claim from Western Union. And this I've got documented evidence of this. And I'm at 136 Broadway in Hagerstown, Maryland, if you want to meet the magistrate. Now, this court date needs to be set to date, and this needs to come to public's attention, because this is criminal activity. Now, there's a hearing set for June the 27th for me and my client with the West Virginia legislation on CC 18-1647. Now, the West Virginia legislation can resolve this warrant simply by granting the restitution within the warrant, because the claim is also in the warrant. However, that is the only way they're going to get out of this warrant, and that is the only way this warrant can be dismissed, because it was received with me as the judge. Then Homeland Security addressed them and applied Homeland Orders. I've got this documented from Angela Caesar. So yeah, this needs to come to the public's attention of this corruption in the government. Thank you for your time. This is Honorable United States Magistrate Stanley Matthew Seekford, coming to you live from 136 Broadway.